Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop Samsung collecting and using your personal data. So, to do it on your Samsung phone, just go to settings and here tap on security and privacy. Go down and we have here more privacy settings. And here are the privacy settings from Samsung. As you can see, now I have here personal data intelligence and send diagnostic data enabled. So I will tap on the first one to go inside, and if this option is enabled, you will get suggestions from Samsung for useful apps and actions based on how you use your phone. So if you don't need that suggestions, just turn off this option and that's all. And now let's go to the second one. And from here, if this is enabled, your phone will automatically collect diagnostic and usage data, and this data will be sent to Samsung. So to prevent this, just tap here and tap OK, and as you can see, now it's disabled. So protect your personal data from here. You can do it. It is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.